Damn, bro. Damn. Like, this video is actually a supernatural video, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a brand new Stray Kids released, and this is called Burning Tires. Changebin and IN video. And you know, I'm loving their music. Their music is literally giving the vibe, right, of what a music video should and what music should sound like, right? So with this being said, let's see what's taking place here. Peace.
One day, a new adventure begins for these two.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You know, Stray Kids, they are really some very great individuals when it comes on to creativity, right? Their music always stands out on top, man. Yo, that's sick. That's sick, bro. That's sick. That movement is sick. Okay, so it's giving me a Tokyo Drift kind of vibe, right? Has anyone seen the Tokyo Drift movie? Yeah, it's giving me that kind of vibe, bro. Keep on going, man. Bro, I love bikes. Like, I love bikes, but to ride on them, bro, I'm scared as fuck. Like, bike just look too scary at times, but I love it. Yo, these guys are crazy. Like, they are such good artists, bro. Creativity, right? The music they produced is always this uniqueness about them that always pulls me closer to listen to their music. That is the reason I'm always coming back to listen to what they have to say, because of how the music sounds like and what the videos look like, bro. The performance, the dance practices, everything is perfect for them, bro. Yo, this is quite an adventurous movie, right? Music video that will literally gets you in the adventurous mode if you're driving, if you're sitting there relaxing on a wonderful day, which is today, or a day and beyond after this day, which is Sunday, bro. You can always feel accompanied with their music. Yo, what a wonderful music! Rap, rap, rap! Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Bro, to how fast this guy is moving, man. He revolves around the earth like it's nothing, bro. The speed that he's traveling with, bro. Bro, these editions are crazy. Damn, bro, I gotta say, whenever time these guys do music, right, the dress code is always neat and phenomenal, right? The sound is always such a captivation. Everything is just a perfect package for me, man. Damn, bro. Damn. Like, this video is actually a supernatural video, bro. Oh, what the fuck? Rip! 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 Yo, he killed it. He nailed it, bro. He nailed it. He nailed it. He nailed it. Bro, it's on point. I'm running up to the end, but I'm getting out. actions here is freaking gorgeous. The movement here is top notch. Everything here is just a perfect package, bro. Rap, rap, bro. These guys are incredible. Way too incredible. What a beautiful voice, bro. These voices are gorgeous. Damn, bro. Masterpieces. Damn. Whoa. This is a very sugary video, bro. Very sugary video. These guys are killing it. They are killing it. My way. Hey! You know, I never been to places across from my country, right? And you know, to experience what these guys are living, bro, they are inspiring, right? I would love to come to some of these places someday because, you know, just to experience what these guys experienced, it would be a blast for me to travel where these guys are, bro. Always unique, always standing out on top, bro. Helter skelter, bro. Always. These guys are incredible, bro. Perfection in dance moves, you know, perfection in teamwork, perfection in everything. They are perfectionists. Yo, that pose was sick. Rap, rap, rap. That pose was sick, bro. Ah! I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan, bro. Well, this video is amazing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This video is amazing.
Hunting?
Well done, G's. Well done, well done, well done, Stray Kids. Well done. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Peace.